I'm making soap. Hey, nice to see you today. I'm gonna make soap. I already poured the lye in. I'm just melting the butter as well. So I'm gonna make some noise here. Now I'm warning you guys because it's an emulsifier. I work with it rather hot, so it does get to trace really fast. There we have it. That was just the fragrance. And I'll show you the fragrance here soon. It's just I kind of got to work fast with this being so warm. I spilled on my hand. That's why I have gloves. Hey, I'm making soap. It's warm, so I'm moving fast. I'm making a Halloween soap. So a simple, easy swirl, drop swirl. I need to grab another mold, I guess. I don't have any spatulas. So I'm just super messy. That will be extra. How is everyone doing today? I'm moving rather fast, but I soap really fast. This is supposed to be like the blood, kind of. I'm gonna take some from this. Hey, Lorna. All right, now the fun part. That eyeball is going to be cut in half. It's just too big. Eyeball. My kid is watching Pokemon stuff, so sorry for that in the background. Oh, what's wrong, Maddie? You feeling okay? I need a small eye. Eyeballs. The oddity shop wanted something creepy, so I was like, what's more creepy than soap that stares at you? But yeah, I have this extra I don't know what to do with. I didn't think about that. Oh, I'm sorry, Maddie. That sounds overwhelming. And you've been doing a lot. You've been marketing really well and going to school. I gotta squeeze another eye in here. Well, there. Should I put like glitter on it? Or is that not? I don't know. I like glitter, but I'm not the best at lines. But there we go. That took like a few minutes. But now I have this. I don't know what to do with. It's already in there. I'll just do this. And make mini bars. See, I don't know how people can go be soapers and soap for hours. There's only one eye, so one of these gets an eyeball. I'm gonna put it right here. One eyeball. Yeah. See? Didn't get the blood on top, but... And it's scented in Nurture Soap Kissing Me. It's a dupe of Love Spell. Not Love Spell. Lush. Hopefully this will be good for me to cut tomorrow. Don't mind my messy... I'm a messy artist. So, but it's just soap. And that's how I soap. Super fast, because it gets hot fast, really fast, and I don't know, I just plan and I work hard and fast, I guess. But I just wanted to come on and show how I make soap live. But I hope you guys all had a good day, and thank you for showing up. Maddie, I hope you get better. So, alright, toodaloo, you guys. Bye.